guess I won't get in since there's no seat in there or anything. Anyway, we made it back from our big trip. And when we got back, we didn't have a place to put this yet. It wasn't able to get right in here into the garage because our garage was a complete mess. So we had to clear out a whole lot of stuff and Facebook Marketplace things and do a lot of clearing out. So that was kind of good. It's forced us to get rid of some junk. We still have plenty of junk, as you can see, but that's okay. We at least got a place to get the car in here now to make some progress on it. So when we got back, we weren't able to really shoot any footage of doing much on the car because it just sat in the trailer. But we did go to a car show. So that's what today's video is going to show you, is going to the Spokane Fair Grounds. There was a nice car show there that we went to. Jacob and I went. And we shot some video of that. So you'll get to see that here in this video. But tune in next week. And that's when we finally got the garage clear so that we could offload this Butte and start seeing everything that we've got and getting it out and get working on it. Enjoy.